Wrist circles. So standing hip width apart, hands out in front, turn the palms down and just gently create a fist. What we're doing is trying to just circle both wrists, whether inwards or outwards, whichever way your coordination makes sense, and keeping the palms facing down, keeping the fist facing down. Try not to open up the arm, because basically you're just opening up the bones. There's not much wrist action there. So with the palms facing down, fists facing down, circle the wrists. You can hold one arm at a time, let it circle. You may not be able to go far with that range of motion to begin, but over time, you'll get a little bit more flexibility and even strength too. Both sides, again, if you're doing one arm at a time, try to keep the fist facing down. If you can do both, you'll probably hear even clicks and cracks and little movements of those small bones at the base of the hand. Brilliant. Wrist circles.